Hello, welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, I am going to break down the experience of downloading an FNAF virus that turns your desktop into a horror game. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. So there is a fake FNAF port-inspired fan game called 5, available on Game Jolt. This game appears to be inspired by the original Five Nights at Freddy's, but with some unique twists. So the game premise involves 5 hungry souls trying to kill you, and your goal is to prevent them from entering. You play as the FNAF, one night guard, who is heading home after completing 7 long nights at work. So the game seems to draw inspiration from the original FNAF's gameplay. Now, before I get into the mechanisms and the atmosphere, let me take a moment to say, please hit that subscribe button and the like button right now. Before I talk about that, hit that subscribe button and the like button before I get into it. So for those interested in FNAF inspired games on different platforms, there are also some notable examples. You have the FNAF Game Boy ports, fully playable Game Boy versions of the original FNAF game have been created, offering a unique retro experience of the classic horror game. You have web-based FNAF fan games, right? There are numerous FNAF inspired games available to play in web browsers, ranging from demakes to creative spin-offs using different characters. If you're looking to create your own FNAF style game, there are resources available for various game engines. You have the default engine, right? Tutorials exist showing how to create a FNAF style game using the default engine. Game Maker, while some older tutorials exist, the Game Maker community discusses ways to create FNAF fan games, even for those new to coding right now. As of 2025, here are the best FNAF games. The Five Nights at Freddy's series continues to evolve with new releases and fan creations. So you want to know what's the best for 2025? Here it goes. As far as the official FNAF games, you have the Five Nights at Freddy's 4, often considered one of the best in the series due to its intense gameplay and horror elements. So it introduces new mechanics like listening or breathing sounds, making it a standout title. Next, you have The Secret of the Mimic, scheduled for release in June 2025. This will be the 11th mainline game in the series, so details are limited, but it promises to continue the franchise's horror legacy. You have spin-off games like the Ultimate Custom Night, which allows players to customize their horror experience with a wide range of animatronics. It's praised for its flexibility and replay value. You have The Security Breach, Fury's Rage, a beat-em-up spin-off featuring the glam rock animatronics. It offers a different gameplay style from the traditional survival horror. Now, in regards to fan games, you have the Animatronic Memories, highlighted as one of the best fan games of 2025, offering a unique horror experience. Next, you have The Case Animatronics, which is a first-person stealth horror game praised for its terrifying gameplay and unique twist on the FNAF formula. You have the Five Nooches Con Alfredo, a Roblox game that offers a humorous take on the FNAF universe, allowing players to team up and survive nights with animatronic threats. You have a Golden Pass, which focuses on security camera management and explores the lore of Golden Freddy, providing a nostalgic horror experience. So there are some differences as far as joy of creation compared to other FNAF games, and we're going to talk about it. So in regards to the gameplay, TJOC stands out for breaking away from the traditional FNAF gameplay. Instead of the typical turn your head from the side to side mechanics, it offers a 3-dimensional world where players run from animatronics in hallways. This differentiated gameplay makes TJOC more dynamic and immersive compared to many official FNAF titles. In regards to graphics and visuals, the game's graphics are considered fantastic, especially for a fan game. Made in Unreal Engine, TJOC's visuals are high quality and rarely unmatched by other fan games, even years after its release. The visual quality enhances the horror experience and sets it apart from many official FNAF games. In regards to the scare factor, TJLC is often described as one of the scariest FNAF fan games ever made. Its jump scares are particularly intense thanks to the Unreal Engine, and the game maintains a high level of tension throughout, so some players find it even scarier than official FNAF titles. Now, the story and atmosphere, the game offers a unique story that incorporates elements of the FNAF universe while creating its own narrative. So it features dramatic scenarios, such as a climax where the entire building is on fire while players face off against scorched animatronics. So the storytelling and this atmospheric storytelling is often praised as more engaging than some official FNAF games. The replayability, each section of TJOC could be its own game due to how well crafted they are, offering high replayability. So this depth of content is sometimes considered superior to individual official FNAF games. So, in regards to the safest games as far as from a security perspective to play of 2025, you have Pirate Fi, right? This game was recently removed from Steam after it was discovered to be a vehicle for distributing info stealer. But Pirate Fi was never intended to be a real game. Minecraft, another game you have to watch out for, and The Sims 4, PUBG. So hit that subscribe button and the like button if you gained value from this video and you are entertained. Hit that subscribe button and the like button if you are educated, entertained. See you in the next video.